Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, ye nimwa na yeko. Ya sanso at the new programs kra and the ebremo. March mo nida etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday ebe ya. Ye de eda baako pe esi ho. Akyerɛkyerɛ wo eniema wo ya. Ye nkyerɛ bi wo baabi ada. Car tie chair. Ekyerɛ sɛ car koba ye use atwamu no. Ɛno na ye kyerɛ wo sɛ na esi ede ye nkonya ede gu ye dem. Ye office, ye restaurant, any baabi ya. Ye besan so akyerɛ mosquito spray we die eyasem de efie bie ni ho antuntum nie enu ntino ye kyerɛ tuntum adura wo de be spray wo dem a entuntum bie ntimi nka wo we esase efie bie mu obi free ho ba na obesua saade we esanse entuntum edi enya yie pa ye besan so akyerɛ car and motor tracking device installations ekwan ya ebefa so a wo de machine bi ebe hye car mu anase wo moto mu na afei baabi a ewo bia no watimi atracking no se nipa kura obetimi de bia hye no ho baabi onam bia no obehu baabi a onam ye be kyerɛ ointment for general body pain se o body no ehyehyew anase se honam dodo a ade a wo de be srasra so a ebe kokora ye be kyerɛ stretch marks removal cream yenua ma na stretch marks ayem ho bebre no me pa cho bra fa number na e de screen so no na fra yen sesi a na register 0244 294066 brane besua adura wo de be ya o stretch marks so a ebe kokora e de ama wo afei so yeguso a ye kyerɛw tomato paste ye na afei so tomato yogurt se de se di entos eye tomato paste ene se ne se di entos eye tomato yogurt afei so ye nuanom akuafo ye da so a efrem se mommra na mombesua se ne se ye wood side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kyerɛw kama pa sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kyerɛw simple na wo hunu simple jumadie eba so ewo Kumase ahodwo Atenga Junction baabi ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na fei registration no ye de nyina ahyehyɛ no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyɛ so acha no 9 ne awie ni nyina na fei baabi a wo bia no wasan so akɔ we nyina no uwia ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fi ano anse ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewie aduane a obedie eno so enyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba baabi a obeda ni nyina so ehembi ni nyina na obetua eye 300 Ghana cedis per training no eye 250 na pen drive enso eye 50 Ghana tua we ni enkyerɛ sa ne ma we nyina fa number na ede screen so no na fra yen sesi a na register 0244 294066 eye Kumawood Training Institute wase eye nsano dwuma hemfie ebeye butu
ye frame Isaac Late
okay na training no by uhune say
nyame adom bibia ekoyi ekoboko na Kumawood de samenhia mama Kumawood anka maye me ho me baye me wie ya me certificate ade ama mini ade me besua nyina so ye de gu pen drive so me ko a se bia me ho akyiri mpo baabi a me bo a metimi ahu de atochima wo emu na metumi e de ahye ho
madam pacho ye frɛ say
pacho ye frɛ me sister Kone
pacho fi hine bai
me free kwada so
Kumase kwada so ya
pacho
na training ni bibi wo mu a ye kyerɛ ya wa hu ana se den na wo find it difficult
training ni de kama ena Mr. Ike no so wa abotre se de etie bia wo behu o wa abotre papa me ba ya de mani age no o wa abotre emfa won question wo bebusa obenya abotre no achecho mu se de etie bia no wo find it difficult bia wo behu.
All right. Enti den na be kachira ma omunim se bia enye ma adwuma na se adwuma edin. Den na be kachira om.
Me fan say na Ghana ye wo no. Adwuma bie ni ho a eye be ma adwuma. Evi se na anokura me hu so oba o spray car.
Oba training niam bi wo ho a ye kire ya wa hu. Ana se den how training ya ba mu. Ana se enije de ben na wanya e wo training
training no ye shase anopa na ayem say aboa me na afofra omo so ba ye no aboa obia e de che say wanye hwe kra e wa ha no wanya ensano adwuma ba kwa na mienu a wo de ba kwa ka adwuma ho ana asese mpu unni adwuma ya wanya ensano adwuma kama a wo kwa akoye enti ebeboa obia enti mitu obia fo say wa wo fie no se wunya baby papa enko trainer Brakumahood Training Center na ebeboa opa.
All right, please, your name?
I'm Christian Adabo.
Christian Adabo.
Yes.
Yeah, where do you come from?
I'm from Kaswa.
Kaswa.
Yes.
Wow, all the way from Kaswa to
Exactly
Kumasi.
so. Exactly
Okay.
so.
How do you see the training?
Thank God. We give thanks to God for bringing us this far to Kumasi. Like men like me, this is my first time coming to Kumasi because of this training.
Okay.
And I'm very happy. I'm very happy about the training. I think I've acquired different knowledge on what I have already. So I thank God for everything.
Kumahood Training Institute Ezani Juma Ahivie Ezani Juma Ahivie de yakayo wa na jeze yakayo ho ye be mo Ezani Juma papa aye ama wetimi e de akopo wo bra minya tena sese bia na jeze wo se training na ba because church ma Kumahood Training Institute ye de gu apaso e de ama adofo ene ahwefo nyina ama mo be sua Ezani Juma papa be your own boss no ahaya ena efi I go on. You ever walk about Kumahood TV so? Yes, Kumahood Training Institute. They say your mother boy about to grow. Obiati, your sister, the Juma Papa. I hear feel the one at ocean. Now what person you ever be Mediana? I can't know what the money.
Oh, and I will once I Kumahood TV day. I drink from. So that's it. And as you say, consider Nando any abre a year entrepreneurship. Say we be a person or you're not saying a Juma. So also saw my signature. Yɛde yɛ hɔ nom dan nyinaa no mo de say wetin de nyuma hodo ebre obi biara wo pese wo yɛ ɔno ankasa na adwuma. So was we yɛ ankasa adwuma aya na fa so de bebre de ewu. So wetin hye hye ne mai de na wankasa ho.
Na yɛ kan be your own boss. So wankasa won sa no twuma nya fe na obi be fra ha be pra ha be yese wankasa wo besua sa no dwuma we kwampo na nya sika kase bia na wo de be yɛ wankasa wo boss no sika ketu abi na wetimi dia set up something small bi na wetimi afro ho boss ba ko be CEO ni say de obi eje ne de title no wo sua sa no dwuma na de ato ho so say bam say de be ya wo betimi abo abrapo no amana konenim kama na ye nya na tie 27th of March ya de dwumadi na ehye so kama wo Kumahood TV premises I then na wo ka cha shofo mo show sambe
Bosumi ye kire enema hodo 8.
Okay niam mako 8
oh that proper na eye
oh okay
yeah na me kawe asa me bone ma no so no me ka de kire we bia e be dwumadi ni nyina no won na ehwe ye no be just enema hodo 8 die yes I did that corona ya ade rentin e be
obi betimi ehu
aha
obi kra niama mako 8 ye de daba akopɛ kyerɛ obi betifi obeka se wo ye nko na akokra hu ye kyerɛ kra hu
so obi so na so mi de me madwemu ya obi e no ho no na dwemu ya so that's it ye ngo fo no mo so madwemu ya ha de na so ka so oya aduane mako 8 da obetimi aye aduane
okay
so tinema na ye kyerɛ no the same as the year no anuane ye because obetima no aduane ahodo edu ede obetima ye ampa so obetimi so aye
okay
nti ye kyerɛ enema ahodo 8 so first one no one say tie car tie
yeah me won say car tie chair wa car tie chair no eno
yeah obi say car tie chair na ye de ande they say we share organizers no how say car tie that how basa
tie na o tie ko car tie pipe papa baby a be here
so that's it sai money na so aso bi na so you okay enti no na icon matras adwen wa ho say ade e betimi aboa ye so ye betimi de ada foforo ye de say center table
you betimi de car tie no center
table
really
so as we want to see and catch us a car tire one dita So yes and the second time now so asa ye nkonya said the who stuffing chairs no sabe pe and so ye no and so ya ka church ade we e car time na dia ya ma no ni so it's in the yes no me na e dia kwa na ma yetime dey establish ade be ma obetime use dey na adwuma
betime dey car time normal time no obetime dey center table and then
mama na so
na no be na the screen so na
yes no screen so
no ya the time na wow
so the time na car time na so ni da e de bi so ya kunya your single one so so ya single chair betimi dia ye
nti no 27th March ya obusumie wo mu
dia so den
oba obe ba be sua car time ya
na okwa ye wankasa wo chair your own chair atnaso ayi
kai
just one hour
wo de be yes ani ma ni
be ye car time no character be ya konya atnaso just one
hour betimi dey center
center table betimi dey sofa they say be a 3-in-1 chair betimi dey so no screen so on there
yeah man e go kwa ni nyina e the car time wow
so so interesting etino se o kasa wo tina fie na do sasho dem film say
obi be ka say obi share samre obi bisa say e yampa say obetimi oba obetimi aye bidi akofi
oba o de say oba gwa ho o de say obetimi nko ade a wa wo hwɛ mmea no so obetimi nko ade so a kata ni fi fabra so obetimi nko ade a ba bia wo a wo hwɛ no wo chemi bia o de oba o de kata ni na fabra oba ya na wo wi a wo ye wo kata akonya anase o table na wo de
akofi
so na wakasa wo say yes and o free aso ko enso na o ko so a o ko e wakasa so wo de epi e ade a eye elika
wo de besisi ho na wat na majujun ho ada kama utimi dem utimi de bibia te sa akonya na wo ebisisi wo dem sesi e no yetimi de ka tai e ya akonya kama ye betimi sa de bi nso aye center table out wa betimi de phones multi TV decoder ni nya betimi de assist so kama umpewe na opede Kumau Training Institute Sane Juma papa ahimfe ya kan ye ho ne de wa nim say na ya kan ye ho me ho car and motor tracking device installation and also ye be
yeah
that day na say o car you akrampa sa we the shema baby bia aka no bia be ho
abibia na me chade we ana emia o hwe na say da kromfo aba na ye bu nkrofo jom cars na say video bia me hwe pa na emia yi ya shira chubi pa je ne ka ya say dwa no say ya dwa enam na tinam pa say ya je ne ka free say so that's it na ya de so ya say o ka pa wo de adwuma na obi e sa je free so that's it so that's it na ase ye no transform na me bi say da fa ya mo sa so na so san ka ya de ke wonya akonya ye twani ya ba do che ba be wo bia anka wo do ba do shem na wo be sua ka e motor tracking device bia hwe I dey kitwe bia wo do shoka no baby na se won kasa wan kan kire obi se na se wan chobi so ne kai obi se wo mu a o mu da
tracker
obe hwehwe ahwehwe o mu da berada ai se bia wa wo de bo ho no chere se me de bi se ye de asie me kai mu so that's it and I know so no you bia ye sa correct dem ma phone
okay
and now phone go an so wo laptop ade bia ai timi enya access upon internet die betime den acorrect am no
it is the se o ka na jire free on sempodi ebia togwa ebe kire ho mo se ka no
yes ebe kire wa kire area potin aka na eden
baby esi
yes
wow
so it is so interesting it is always sure dey na so dey be ball cam so so utim dey be ball cam na konfro ko sia ana se obi dey trosi usu se ojo ka oh o dey person no onye ka na fanko o tan ko o dey wo ka pia ka no na o
o tuna mu na azbra
o da ko fa
me dey chow
no o ya ma dey phone so o phone when you ba o number she mo say na a chewe bia dey ka na bia na the police for dey a chewe ko fa
okay
ti we yanko dika say e dey 2 days na e dey 3 days e dey 4 days chele na Mr. La na o phone so
anya fe na ne ko twe ho ma so ama na be pira
na me kan the ocean na so the otie me no o ka sa ne o ka na say dia ene so obi de ka na so phone so o de ka ho an ene say e ko no
e ko kora say ne waje phone no
obi bie ne wasa say we so abeti na via internet da because internet dey ade o ho tem bia
okay
it is a phone waje ko internet no nje ko e beti ma di phone So I said, obey your phone. So,
but I don't know what you woman.
Yes.
Okay.
Misika, I want me, I pass my phone, so I said, check on so. Confirm not to me, Misika. Because code that's so that's it. And I was just a phone, I said, you will for Martin. Of Martin, code in the first, there be code in the routine. And I said, but what you're doing at the baby. If you know, be our phone night, you may call online, and I say, what access to internet and go on, dear. No, I said, oh, bash, and also bash, and one on the piano. A back of a baby, and it's all Jika and Abasajo phone because yes, phone the car in wow. Kumau Training Institute as San Juma, I feel womb pay now per the year car and motor tracking divider. So, car you have a big beer, can be called Dibia, wait me a dear chain now, or she should know when you're dear. Come on, man, who said ointment for general body pains. And so I overtread the race fire ointment as a woman baby. And your yabbit media cheat. I'm a young in every room, but you wait me out. I say, one son, and you might dry into tiny body pains into the one night a ointment, you know. The medical queen, so I say, a queen of war. Nina, so yes, yet it was any money in so I say, ha, into yes, I general body pain, they do 1 mile. When I'm yarning, so much as the noon going to be check body pain that true. So that's I the ointment. Okay. I know so now we are waiting that you cheat. So come massage you. So I'll quite you my bro, see your young one baby at your chunk and get to be an answer what ointment be now they are fossil. One cast out one out the fossil. A baby young in if you are won't say you'll be a beer. Kumau Training Institute was a bra. Na yen trust our ointment here as on am your ya wo de twitwia passion na ekọ kama bra na besua ensano dwuma aye boboso ni nyina wo hwe screen so a pictures no na edi akoni aba wo so saa no oba saa ne ma we nyina ye be che oni nyina ye kama na se ntontom aye wo yemfie ofa hantontom baby biara wo bia na ntontom ye renwe o ti wo kwa na ntontom nwenwen wo so Kumau Training Institute for Sebra na ye ncho the way ye mosquito spray I'll bet me dey spray with them ntontom suro kra ye friend ntontom suro esa so the spray with them wa ntontom suro kra say o de ne nan eba besi dem wo training way mosquito spray enso e ka ho eno na waka no
omo ntontom ne be dwane advance by force obe dwane ne na se me ka oba ye be chosa mosquito spray we nyina ye kama ade we edi manya ye pa next one ya me ba be so say what should that because me sha ya de hamma be pa o yo ba ho ntime nche atade nsesini because o sha o stretch marks no e be show it no hamma pa me hu so the account training no so ba be stretch marks remover cream na no betimi akọ
oh me so I say one day, say bike one day, they say
I one day any money
some of the to the table. Into one
say na have mind, na manager say na dey we mi go sua grandpa e betimi akọ
mature and kwako bebre o ma ya amani ni na akọ ma moda.
Oh okay.
Yes.
Ni nyina be free we dey. Am already na ye tronton sa from. Wow. Okay.
So they baby oil e dey sasta so but no na ntimi nko. Okay. Obe ya nko but ye won cream ya dey ni ma ko do bebre ya na ye. So dey fast na obo se na ni na saturday na ni free won.
Ni nyina be free kama. Okay. It's in a bra. Na yen show the way a ubesifa ayi sa stretch marks ni nyina e free won kama obetimi sa dia ye wadwuma a obaye na waton e bia na ho no wahu obi a stretch marks e di ni nya e ha ne bebeba usi na bonti as sister no won ho aduro ho e di ma o de ma no no so e go use na e clean stretch marks ni nya o ko no obedi ho dance pa acha foforo ama obi so aba to be kama Kumau Training Institute as Sani Chuma ahimfie umpewe na opedie pen tomato paste enso e ka ho
yeah tomato paste
obeche tomato paste
on say
yeah tonto na bontin
so say the rain season tomato say be papa on say ba busu a amount echibu keke
okay
so enti e be che how about tomato paste
okay
oh and they say bia wa ofie answer aka be bia wetin mai den ayi na tomatoes no ense kwa so ense kwa so wetin be paste na ndisi ho no na ba kasa wo nisu and na say dem pokura mponi say dem go fati mai a e ton abontin so wo so wetin mai di so that's actual me go ma na and this oh, I can be sure I meet you if I did you. One will say, you train a whole doing now, see, here, I have such a plan for so better with you, Madina, Ubushiano, Ubit with the Edgema. So I see, I still, I so full. It's the start than I be actually 7. You should imagine, yes, sir, extra business ethics. You better my bro, but my then I would you might order say,
oh, but that's a bonus.
A bonus.
Oh, okay.
So I say, but
I am the first one designing product. Other problems here. Amount for better amount.
Because we only buy each product with the package.
Yeah.
So I say,
it's a packaging in ya.
We don't know what they are. If you do, I don't know why a year now. It's just a package in your poor, you know. Or say, Papa. So that's it. Until we are just animal na.
The bet sure the way I will be I hear package. I'm an attractive. Will be train crampona. Why do you see? Baby, I was shouts. I did your baby, Papa. I didn't come baby another woman, and yet the but they were package at you know. And it's me attractive amount for my mouth for baby. I bought 20 bra. Now, best chance and the Juma way, as an Juma way, and a year for 250 Ghana said this pet 2.5 and a year Joe Naya day chose and San Juma way, pen drive and so I was up as auto driver. Drive no a 50 cedis. What the 250 cedis pet? About the San Juma, Yabu Boston, San Juma, and what shit. And all this 250 cedis. About this ASK. Now, Sessica would the Babisian San Juma and yes, it can be a sir. I want tomato yogurt. I know the
yeah, yogurt. Also, yogurt. Actually different types. So that's it. But already the tomatoes and the yogurt. Tomatoes everything the animal be even drinks for everything the air. So that's it. But what's I know in young women here. On a diameter, I say, Nimde idea your tongue. Okay. So Nimde and Sina Farmo your tongue. And to which so be a tongue in the and also was can call them. What I said. I said, I'm more a bit my so that's it. Until the year you bought, now you got to the tomato and a say the tomato paste. You really are yogurt, so I
wow. And tomato yogurt, don't divide we new one. Unti be company some baby ada Ajikumo Training Institute and Kwana or better same way. Brandy and show the way tomato yogurt, send a beer, Ubedine, come numbers no any good strain so no bet me a fan our friend only a chunk of the open for training way be of Freya. I bet you also come 0244 294066 0244 294066 and I say 0243 174870 0243 174870 and I'll wait to me after 0543 596070 numbers no nina and the good screen so the person afraid be afraid way now you're busy and I'm afraid the other one afraid no so now you're busy and numbers 3 it will be afraid be and will be better now so come on last one no we decide yeah a queer Sanima way ya and also bet track
we decide.
Okay.
Sunday and for baby move.
Okay.
You don't know how I set up with your money.
Okay.
And you know, eventually we decide. Now we decide when they organic.
Okay.
Yeah, organic we decide. A selective. Where one say you're going to condemn.
Okay.
So already what phone if I say why what you're buying a woman. Now what the cock bar and now what's there for you now. But you'll be so almost what the bar is selective. A best a one I was here no not a jai a year or no by any day. Amount.
Okay. It's when you're company.
Yes. And you ever changing a queer phone in our day.
Emra, almost any almost
who shall we decide now? The combo of now our brain, maybe away and toast, and maybe away and Mako. Tintos now to be the bear fear. Tomato paste. And as a tomato yogurt. Now also that a what I call how far.
Oh, there's a fridge now. You have blog it. Ottawa training. Kuma Training Institute. A hand one of your sons and Juma Papa Wayne and numbers no and a good screen is on the channel. So say Wayne na yet a purely practical. Yeah, the answer. And a job training I would only be let teaching age in a board of home. Now what train or churches any money but way no bar. And San Juma, ya the answer a practical, ya the answer a now what me ye be at the Akofi COVID-19 no and that's all where ya record your winner. I bet was a so your mind gun and Nuhana and I saw went to bar no smart lady fabra oban so ye be ma nsuo ne samana awo front and ye the sanitizer nso aka ho ama o de afafa won sa na be ya sa ayare boni we won be fa bi enfi kuma training institute ye boy ye ho ban ye pa protocols no aban protocols ni nyina ye di so kama ai baby a ye dru ye be jado for again na be catch up final words o catch up.
Oh, okay, my first akonya so achia master iron fashion asante mampo nyakopa no oya de pa ana fe so mesa achia rocky special pa ana ahwefo ni na ene wona abaye ntonis ahodo ni na ene won papa esa na paso esa
na dia dance say you training pa
ya omo na so mchia wo na meka ade ba ho na person preference FD so but me can no plan be so yes aka motor tracking device enya ka ene motor nko betim de area track no
okay
make us what masia
enye ni no
ene na pure betim de track no okay so bidinti to ba me tell kitu bia na oni pe bi to kwa chichi baby so obati asu o person say to kwa ya kokuna to baby so
they can't let the bar. Okay.
So that's it. Now you're tracking by be a say you
anyway, they would they be hammer for
so that's it.
You are really tracking.
Yes, and then my pure man wait to the other track. But I mean, the money. So what they are not so bad. You better say yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, channel man hold 80 no. Ube free as akono. What should not best by 20 kwa pass na de ko fie.
What you say?
So, chairman bi horo ma ana yan kaisan. Security reasons ti. Nti bo modin ba bia wo bia bo modin ase obeba. 27th pe na 27th. Bosumi ye match ye ewa hojo. So, nti bo modin na bra kuma wo TV na de juma sa juma di ebre. Onya ba bia. Nti say wo tifie wo be school. Ana say mpono wonya koma bia. Bo modin pa de be so anim de bi. Na enei ene bia ka so na adwuma ye o kyena eba no wo se sa dia wo so enei ebeboa
Kuma Training Institute and Sani Juma ahimfie juma de we nyina ekoso ewo Kuma TV premises Kumase Ahojo Atinga Junction hwa ena sa juma de we nyina ye de ehhehye so entene fie emfa wonsa ensumwa no 250 cedis eyesika but enye sika bia so de besua ensani juma papa eya ebeboa wankasa wa brabo numbers no ene go screen so no fa na phrase esi ana ne ye entwetwenko shenan so say COVID-19 is still there. It's safety protocols ni nyina ye diso kama pa Kuma Training Institute and Sanu Juma ahimfie ye be diso it over for no smarts no brana for sika 250 so person obedwuma de ya friend numbers no na ye register wo do dia ID card so ebe my ni register what kama into baba no ni aye obi bia ewe de ohia se wo de baba aye sika with the baba kama pen drive 50 cedis pen drive ne kabuma na 300 cedis bra near for do bobo do midi and queen AJ Hipsy Macron.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, ye nimu na ye ko. Ya sanso ade new programs kra na e de ebremo. March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday ebe ya. Ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho. A kire wo eniema wo ya. Ye nkire bi wo ba bia da. Ka tai che. E kire se ka akoba. Ye yusu atwam no. Eno na ye kire wo se na esi ede ye nkonya ade gu ye dem. Ye office, ye restaurant, any ba bia. Ye besan mosquito spray we de eyasem de efie bia ni ho antuntum nie enu ntino ye kire tuntum adura wo be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo we esase efie bia mu obi firi ho ba na obesua saade we esanse entuntum edi enya ye pa ye besanso a kire wo car and motor tracking device installations ekwanya e be foso a wo de machine bi e be hye wo car mu anase wo motor mu na fei ba bia ewo bia no watimi atracking no se nipa kura obetimi de bia hye no ho ba bia onam bia no obehu ba bia onam ye be kire wo ointment for general body pain se o body no ehhye wo anase se honam dodo a ade a wo de be srasra so a ebe kokura ye be kire wo stretch marks removal cream yenua mana stretch marks ayem ho bebre no mepa cho bra fa number na e screen so no na friends see a na register 0244 29 4066 brane besua adura wode be ye o stretch mask so a ebe kokora e de ama wo afei so yeguso a ye kyerɛw tomato paste ye na afei so tomato yogurt se de sidi entos eye tomato paste ene se ne sidi entos eye tomato yogurt afei so ye nuanom akuafo yi ye da so a efrem se mommra na mommesua se ne si ye weed side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kyerɛw kama pa sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kyerɛw simple na wo hunu simple jumadie baso ewo Kumase ahodwo Atenga Junction baby ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na afei registration no ye de ne nyina ahyehyɛ no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyɛ so acha no 9 ne awie ne nyina na afei baby ya wo bia no wasan so akọ we nyina no uwia ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fia no anse ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewie aduane a obedie eno so nyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba bia obeda ni nyina so ehembi ni nyina na obetua eye 300 Ghana cedis per training no eye 250 na pen drive enso eye 50 Ghana tua we ni enkyerɛ sa ne ma we nyina fa number na ede screen so no na fra yensesia na yen register 0244 294066 eye Kumawood Training Institute or say eye nsano dwuma hemfie ebeye butu